how to change font size on Kindle Paperwhite. So if you have a Kindle Paperwhite and you want to change the font size on Kindle Paperwhite, it's fairly simple. So I'll show you two ways particularly. The first is a bit difficult, not really difficult, but a bit time consuming. The other one is a much easier process. So the first one is whenever we're reading something on Kindle, focus on the top 20 to 30% of the screen and tap anywhere near it. When we do that, we'll enable these editing options and all these different fancy options. If you look towards the top, you can see this double A icon right here. So when you tap on it, you'll enable all the font options like font family, bold, or whether you want to increase or decrease the size. This is the first way. The second way is very easy. Simply pinch out if you want to increase the size like this, or pinch down if you want to decrease the size, and you'll see the size also show at the what size you're currently on. And this is the another way to change the font size on Kindle Paperwhite. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.